Welcome back, YouTube. Tune in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. So today, me and Mrs. Hey, we was like, what are we gonna eat today? So I was like, hey, let's eat some cheeseburgers. So I had picked up this new gadget, a KitchenAid, and you know I purchased a meat grinder with. So I was like, babe, let's just make our own beef hamburger, you know. Hey, and Ray, shout out to my boy Ray Matt's Kitchen and Grill. Go and check him out. I'm gonna make my little twist of the Raynator, man. After I seen that burger, I had to try it, man. So I'm about to go ahead and make up mine. So if you ain't seen my boy Ray Matt Kitchen, his Raynator, hey, go over there and go check him out. Hey, alright, so what I have here is I got a nice sirloin steak, some nice sirloin, and I got some beef chuck. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cut into some dices just so I can get in that meat grinder. You can see it's kind of frozen a little bit. I kind of froze it about 20 minutes. So it's like extra super cold. They say that makes it like the best ground beef when it's like got that little frost on it. So I'm gonna just cut this up. Definitely cut this. I'm gonna keep all that fat, man. No, most people, they'll probably take that fat out. I ain't taking that fat out. I'm gonna eat that. That's what's gonna make that good hamburger. Over here, I got the meat grinder. I got a nice bowl right here. The bowl for the ground beef go in. And under it, I got a bowl of ice so it stays cold when it's coming out. So I'm gonna cut it on about 7 because I don't really know what it can do yet. Alright, so you guys, I'm going to go ahead and take it through the grinder for a second time. Because you see how it's all like grainy. I already did something to test it out, and you can see how it's coming out like long string in there. So I'm going to take it through that a second time. Alright, so we got the hamburger all ground up. I'm gonna put a little garlic powder on here. A little black pepper. Half of onion. And I got some Szechuan royal. So y'all, look at this, man. I'm about to dive in. I don't know if I can bite this. Hey Ray, what you think, man? Look at it. Woo! Man, it's about to go down, you guys. Y'all, I must tell you, the Baconator ain't got nothing on this. The Royal Red ain't got nothing on this. This thing is amazing. It's nothing like your homemade ground beef, man. I'm telling you guys, hey, if you hadn't tried it before, excuse me, let me give something to go. I lost my concentrated thought. Woo. That thing packed with flavor, man. That sirloin, that chuck roast is amazing. Woo! Hey, but I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in, checking out your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. Hey, I'm already at home, but I gotta go right now, because I gotta get to this burger. Peace out.